How to create new playlist on YouTube easily. Sign into your YouTube channel. Go to library. Tap on your videos. Here you'll find all of your uploaded videos. Next to them there are 3 dots. Choose one of your uploaded videos and tap on the 3 dots. Tap on Save to Playlist. Here's all of your playlist. You can choose one of them or create new playlists. I'm going to create a new playlist. The name of the playlist will be Training. And you can leave it private or publish it as you want.
Here's the new playlist created successfully.
Subscribe is free, dude.